To redirect to an external site, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the website. Once there, click on the Sign In button at the top right, and enter your email and password to access your account. Upon signing in, you'll see various options on the left, including Overview, Website Items, Orders, Fulfillment, Reports, Marketing, Communication, Settings, and at the top right, you'll find Upgrade, Support, Setup Guide, and your profile account name. To proceed with redirecting an external site, you'll need to have a domain. Begin by going to the Domain step, which is the first step, and click on Website to access the options for editing your site. Domains, SEO, Submissions, and Site Preferences. From there, click on Domains and select your domain to manage it. Click on the option at the top left to set the destination for your domain, and choose the external option. Then enter the URL you want to forward to. This will redirect your domain to the external site.